actually wasn't a GIS major going into school, and then I took a GIS class earlier, like end of last year, or end of my freshman year, and I really enjoyed it, and I decided that's what I wanted to do. So I actually go to Hofstra University, which is in Hempstead, Long Island, and I am from the Ambler area. I live about 10 minutes away, so I grew up around Ambler campus, so I know the area pretty well, and I have a lot of friends who go to Temple, and then I heard about this experience, so I was like, might as well. I want the experience, and I figured it would be a good idea to get the experience starting as soon as possible. So my experience so far has been pretty fun. Climbing the trees, it's a little challenging and difficult at sometimes, but doing the actual work, it's rewarding. So the major project we're doing is a tree census. So we're tagging all the trees that are currently living and seeing how tall they are and what their diameter is, to see how the survivorship will work, and they will come back in a couple years to see if they grew anymore or if they died or if they're just surviving. So my personal project is I'm mapping the deadwood of the forest, so all the wood that is either fallen or decaying. I'm using GPS coordinates to map it on a grid level. So I'm probably gonna, do it with the quadrants and then overlap the two. So GIS is very wide. You can do GIS with anything pretty much. So I wanna just figure out what I wanna do with GIS. So I think doing as much as possible is a great benefit. So as a visiting student, it's really great because sometimes when you're at just one university and you do everything at one university, it's kind of hard to see outside their specific realm. And then when you go to another university and have those experiences, you can see what your university does better or what you do wrong, and possibly give constructive criticism.